Hey guys, Ali here at HSV Workshop, and today I'm very excited to finally be unboxing ARB's most technologically advanced accessory yet. And that is ARB's Linx Vehicle Accessory Interface. Have you ever heard of an interface? I didn't. This is the first time I've ever heard of an interface for your vehicle accessories, and this is it. All right, now we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna check out what's inside so you can see exactly what you get inside this box.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it.
First of all, for you guys out there who haven't heard of the Arb Linx system yet, this is a device where it controls all your vehicle accessories on board in one screen. And I mean screen. Yes, this is next level baby. Alright, now guys, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna start opening the box of this Arb Linx system and see exactly what's inside. So after you remove the sleeve, you're gonna be confronted by the branding, which makes you remember, hey, I bought a Linx system, bro. Like, what's up? Get this box inside a box. You open this up like an iPhone. Apple quality. And then, the first thing you're gonna see is, you're gonna receive an iPhone, receiving a screen, okay, and gimbal. So let's start with the gimbal first, under, okay? So I'm gonna cut to a closer angle so you guys can see, but basically from this angle you can see how this gimbal is. This is what's gonna be mounted onto your vehicle, okay? And you could tighten it so that you could put it onto place on whatever orientation that you like, okay? After that, you are going to be seeing the device itself, which is the most exciting thing about this whole system. So this is your screen, your controller, your device, whatever you want to call it. This is what's going to control all your accessories on your car once this is installed from that day on. So on the front, it looks like any, usual phone, and on the rear is when it gets funky. That's when you know that you have a ARB device. So when you pick this up and you think it's gonna be your phone, it's not. You're gonna hold the back and you'll be like, oh yeah, this is for my car. So this is probably gonna be your car's new phone. All right, so I'm not gonna go in depth on this first. We're gonna go forward on the other things that you're gonna get on the box. Okay, let's put that here, on the lower side. So here is what you're gonna be wiring on into. So all your accessories that you would like to be controlling will go through this. So from your screen, it will send the signal to your main controller, and this has the outputs for the switching of every device you would like to control, or every accessory you would like to control. So simple as that. This is what you're gonna be mounting hidden inside your vehicle. And after you have that mounted, you're never gonna see it again. So it's not a real big device. It's actually pretty compact for what it is. I would say about the size of, about, your portable jump starters. Yeah, something like that, but way lighter. So there's not really much weight to this. All right, so it's there. Next is you get some product warranty stuff. Stuff we usually don't read about anyways. And you're gonna get your Linx display quick start guide. So it's basically a quick guide for how to get your device working and your basic interface settings and things that you have to know once you get all of this installed and you want to get started. Next is more box accessories. That on the side. You are going to get this terminal kit. So I ordered more of these because I think I'm gonna be using it, but I'm not really sure. Once I get this installed, I'm gonna know. This terminal kit is what connects to your controller terminals. So there's a couple here. So it's 10x, meaning there's 10 terminal connectors in this bag coming with your Linx system. Next is the USB interface cable. So this is what connects the device to your controller. Simple as that. Next is we got wiring harness, Groovy patch, air locker / compressor. To make it simple, this is your compressor harness. So if you do already have an ARB compressor, you will use this harness so that you could be controlling it directly from your Linx system instead of the switch that you already have installed. So that would be deleted and you will have the Linx system control it for you instead. Next is you have your power harness. So the harness that powers the controller and everything else, the whole system basically. So simple as that. This is your power harness. Next is we got wiring harness Linx inputs. So this is your harness where all the inputs to your controller is connected on. So I'm not really sure exactly how many or what types of inputs you are going to be installing on your ARB system, but basically this is the harness that you will connect them to. We can go over all on that in depth once we get into installing the whole system itself on my car. So, and that's it. The box is empty. Simple as that. So, you got your gimbal, you got your device itself. This is really nice. I mean, it's really, if I could buy a case for my phone that looks like this, I would buy it. So, basically, this is the device / phone / system / screen / good stuff. Your controller, again, final view, and all your harnesses. Power, inputs, compressor, and interface cable, and your terminals. All right? Now we are going to go in depth on the device itself. All right guys, now on to the device itself. You can see up here on the front a mesh grill down here for the speaker, a camera up here front facing, and an earpiece here, and another tiny sensor over here. Now onto the back, you will notice the big embossed ARB logo over there and the mounting area which attaches to your gimbal magnetically like so. Simple as that. Onto the interface of the device itself, we are going to turn it on. I currently have it on a charger since it had low battery out of the box. So you could see the boot screen, which is also the ARB logo. There you go. So basically the interface is your usual typical Android OS. And we're not gonna go deep into the features of the phone itself. We're basically going to show you how it looks like. So everything seems basic Android to me, so it went to the app itself directly, but we're gonna go out of that. So, you know, your notifications. So basically how it looks is this was a Android device that was programmed specially for your ARB Linx system. the only application that you'll mostly be using on this device is your Arb Linx app. As you can see, when not installed and not connected to a controller, it will show you that it's connecting to the controller and to please wait. So this is app version 1.8, and basically this is as much as what you could do with your Arb device when it's uninstalled. So unless you want to be installing some, extra apps or music or whatever you will want to install to this device, other than that, the app is what we are going for. So once we have this device finally installed, we may actually go in depth onto the app itself, what it does, and all of its features. So for now, this is your Arb Linx device. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video today. On the next video, we will finally be installing this on my vehicle and showing you guys how it's done. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see our videos coming soon. Thank you guys again for watching. Until the next video, I'll see you guys again. Thanks for watching.